Okay, I'm going to show how to alter this low cylinder. I made those oval vases last week, and Gary had asked me how those were made. So I've just thrown this low cylinder, and it's not been cut off from the bat yet. So I'm just going to use this board to put flat on the bat and pull towards me and pull the side of the pot in. And then I'll do that on the opposite side, and I'm looking in the inside of the pot. That's where I'm looking to see how this shapes up. So this could potentially be like a little square baker, or a little square dish, or rectangle really is what this is ending up. So as I do that, the inside of the pot gets a little mushed. So you have to compress that back down. I usually just use my finger right here on this edge of the wall. And you just need to make sure that these don't have too thin of a floor, because sometimes if the floor is too thin, they'll crack a little. So I'm just going to just really define these sides, and you can always come back and do that a little more later. Undercut it a little. And now you can wire it off. And then all that around the edge gets cleaned up later when you're able to turn it over a bit. Okay, that's it.